If you want to be a top G, get into this neuroscience routine. Within hours 1 and 2 after waking is when you will get your morning light and work out. Morning light will not work through windows or sunglasses. 10 minutes outdoors, cells on your eyes need to sense blue and yellow light. Do not eat anything, especially carbs. Carbs will raise serotonin and take away your desire to pursue things outside of yourself. 2 hours after waking is when I focus on adaptive materials, something that's going to make me more valuable than the person I was yesterday. This first focus bout should only be about 90 minutes long, and you have 15 minutes to raise adrenaline following with various different protocols like cyclic hyperventilation, assault bike, burpees, sprints, cold water, etc. My first meal is between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. and it consists mainly of proteins and fats so that I can synthesize more dopamine but press on my adrenaline brakes just a bit. Fasting increases adrenaline, but I don't want too much adrenaline in the brain and body. It's all about balancing these chemicals. In between high focus bouts or intense tasks, perform NSDR protocol to reset acetylcholine levels. Acetylcholine is the molecule of focus. This will also help put more dopamine in your receptors to give you more motivation and drive to continue attacking throughout your day. Hours 7 to 9 is multitask time. These are tasks that don't require 90 minutes of focus, so answering emails, texts, responding to people, maybe looking over something that doesn't take very much time. Approximately 9 hours after waking, perform NSDR protocol for 10 to 30 minutes. Perform physiological sigh, control light and posture during this session. This is going to fill up your dopamine neurons and activate brain regions that have to do with creativity, priming you for a 90-minute creativity session. NSDR will also restore metabolic function, basal ganglion loop, giving you more control of your behavior throughout the evening and preventing you from burnout so that we minimize bad days. Immediately following NSDR protocol is when you jump into a 90-minute creative session, which is where you zoom out your vision. You don't focus on one particular thing for too long. You let your brain randomly come up with thoughts. You write them down, keep track of them. Creativity happens when we are calm, relaxed, and somewhat sleepy. NSDR is going to elevate serotonin and kickstart this process for us. Stress and adrenaline is going to make us less attractive to the observer. It's going to inhibit creativity. Phase 1, we are prioritizing adrenaline. Phase 2, we are prioritizing serotonin, the molecule of calmness and relaxation. It's all about playing and having a good time. Half of the day we want to be serious, half the day we want to be playful. Dinner should be mainly carbs to elevate serotonin, which will help us transition to sleep. All lights besides red lights should be off by 10, especially 11 p.m. to protect dopamine and circadian biology.